Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this frame that I got at Dollar Tree. The first thing I'm going to do is remove these beaded hanger from the front, and I am going to just cut them off, and then I pulled them off the back. They're just hot glued on there, so they popped up really easy. Once I have that all off and the frame's just all set as it is, I'm going to take these rub-on transfers that I got from Timeless Designs, and this is their whole new nautical set, and they are gorgeous. I'm going to take this bottom one that says, "Let nature and imagination light the way," and then I'm also going to cut out the lighthouse, and I'm going to kind of keep it all as one piece. So I'm going to lay that down in the center of the frame, deciding where exactly I want it. And then I'm going to peel off the backing and then set that down. And then I'm going to start to rub on the rub-on transfer. Make sure I set it exactly where I want. Kind of press it down with my hands. And then use the applicator to rub the rub-on transfer on. And you want to rub hard, but not hard enough that you rip the transfer. Getting around all the smaller parts. This frame had a few ridges in it. So I had a hard time with some of them making sure that I got all of the letters. Any of the smaller parts, the bigger parts went on just fine. I'm just going to keep doing this until I get it all on there, or I feel like it's all on there. And then as I'm doing it, I'm going to start peeling it up very slowly. And as I'm peeling it up, I'm going to make sure that I'm still doing this to make sure that it's fully stuck. So just kind of peeling slowly and then continuing on all the way through. Making sure as I peel that everything is staying down. And then I got a little too excited when I was up at the top and I started to peel up the letters and I lost some of the letters on the word let. So I was like, well, I got to figure out what to do with that. So I just pulled that off and it left it with nature and imagination light the way. I just kind of let go of the let. I let it go. And now I'm just going to take some nautical rope from Dollar Tree and just start wrapping it around the frame. And I'm just gluing it on as I go around, making sure I get around those edges. Then just putting more glue. And I did this all the way around the whole frame till I got to the end. And then I just cut off the excess and glued it right up to the other side. And sometimes when we're crafting, we make mistakes, like me losing the letters for let, and that's totally fine. Sometimes you just have to pivot and change things, and that's exactly what I did here. I'm going to add something else on there to kind of make up for the mistake that I made. So now that I have that nautical rope all on, I'm going to take this starfish, and I'm going to put that at the top above this, just to kind of make up for the let that I lost. And I kind of thought this was some dead space up at the top, so I'm just going to glue that right down, and that is it. I still think this project turned out super cute, even though I made a mistake, and I just kept going with it, and sometimes that's what you have to do. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.